So, my goal today is for all of you to walk away knowing how important effective communication skills are for leadership roles. Either you might be in a leadership role and you want to improve your leadership role, or you might be aspiring for that leadership role. We're here for you no matter what, for developing the skills to be a leader or to develop the skills to be a better leader. I don't think there is a book on the market, a Google topic related to leadership that you will ever see where communication isn't on the forefront of the skills that you need to develop. By increasing your awareness, by connecting with your listeners, and practicing mindfulness to help you think strategically and think on your feet, leaders can create a positive and engaging work environment. Should I repeat that? Because that's pretty important, and that's bringing together the 5 tips that we discussed today. By increasing your awareness, by connecting with your listeners, remember that smile and that eye contact, and practicing mindfulness to help you think strategically and on your feet, leaders can and will create a positive and engaging work environment. Effective communication builds trust, enhances collaboration, and drives success within teams and organizations.